Hello everyone. Hello little children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I want to ask you something. Do you love animals? I love animals. So today, let's learn about farm animals. Do you want to go and see Old MacDonald's farm? Let's go. Children, do you know what are farm animals? Let me tell you. Farm animals are the animals that are kept for agriculture purpose. And do you know what is farm? Let me tell you. A farm is a piece of land used to grow plants, food, and to raise animals. And do you know who is a farmer? A farmer is a person who grow plants and food and who raise and look after the farm. Children, do you know which animals lives in the farm? Let me show you. Look around the farm. Yes, I can see a cow. It's a cow. Yes, it's a cow. And do you know that cow gives us milk? And it says moo, moo. Now let's look around and find out more animals. Look there, I can see a horse. Yes, it's a horse. It's a horse. And do you know that, children? Horses are very fast and it helps farmer to move from one place to another in the farm. And it say neigh. Children, look here. I can see a duck. Yes, it's a duck. It's a duck. And duck gives us eggs. And it says quack, 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 quack. Look here. I can see a goat. Yes, it's a goat. It's a goat. And goat gives us milk. And it says ma, ma. Let's look around one more time. Look here. It's a sheep. It's a sheep. And sheep gives us wool. And it says ba, ba. Look here. It's a hen. It's a hen. And hen gives us eggs too. And it says cluck, 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 cluck. All right, children. Now you saw so many animals in the farm. These are called farm animals and it's a farm. Now let's sing a song, Old MacDonald, all together. Let's sing. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some cow, E-I-E-I-O. And a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some duck, E-I-E-I-O. And a quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. And a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicken, E-I-E-I-O. And a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck, cluck. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Excellent! I hope you all had a good time looking for the farm animals and singing a song of Old MacDonald's. Alright, I'll see you next video. See you. Take care and stay safe.